Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Seriously Creative. So today is going to be a video in my little series that I'm going to call Resin Basics, and today's video is about how to clean silicone molds. So as you can see, just over time how the molds get like a little build up of glitter and resin, and there's like bits of fluff and things like that. So I'm just going to show you the way that I clean my molds, and if anyone has any helpful tips you can just comment below, that would be awesome. I'm always up to learning new ways how to look after my things, but this is how I do it for now, and this is what I find the easiest. So basically what I do is I just grab a piece of tape, kind of just roll it around in my finger like this, and I'm just going to use the tape to kind of get all the little bits of glitter off. And this one's quite dirty, so it might take me a little while. You could probably also use a little piece of blue tack or clay if you like, but I've found that when you use something like that, sometimes it leaves like a bit of an oily residue. That's why I stick with using the sticky tape. But whatever you've got on hand, because we're going to wash the mold after this anyway, so if there is a residue left over, it'll get washed off. So as you can see, now that one's looking reasonably clean, it's free of dust and glitter, I'm just going to set it aside and then do my other mold the same way. Okay, so then what we're going to do next is just pop them into the sink with some warm soapy water and just gently give them a wash. You can use like a little cloth if you need to, if there's any excess bits left on it that you want to wash off. And just gently give them a clean. Make sure the cavities are all clean as well. So then what you want to do before it starts to dry, instead of just letting it drip dry, I like to take a piece of paper towel and just blot off all the excess water and soap suds, because if you leave that water on there to dry, it's going to leave marks on the mold, like watermarks. So that next time you do a batch of resin and you pour it in there and you pop it out, you'll see like the streaks on the resin. So I just try and like get as much water as I can. Like obviously these bits on top don't really matter too much because I'm not pouring the resin there, but inside the cavities where I'm going to be pouring resin, I like to try and dry it as best I can. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll just leave my molds here to dry off a little bit more on my kitchen bench, but don't ever leave your molds directly in the sunlight because that will start to break down the silicone and it will ruin them. So I'll just leave them to finish drying off, and then that's it. That's silicone molds all clean, ready to use again. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you have any tips on how you clean your molds, please let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!